fucking trip.
Wait, that's not an RT. Don't you hate when they do this? How's it going, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to go ahead and be installing the UPR Products oil catch can for the 6.4 liter engine. Looks like instructions. Won't be needing those. Check out those, you guys. Through uprproducts.com. Just because, I mean, I didn't feel like waiting, you know, a long time for Billetech or Speedlogic's shipping and handling. So these actually came in about 2 days. So I definitely recommend teamuprproducts.com for all your oil catch can needs. Alright, so it's definitely a lot bluer than I thought it would be, but I didn't really want to go too much B5 blue, so it's nice to switch it up. Might be able to see it a little bit better with them side by side. It's definitely going to look great though. The UPR Products oil catch can for the Challengers, Chargers. I opted out for the opted in for the drain cock here, just because my last catch can, it was kind of hard to twist off without using a filter strap. So this makes it a lot easier. You know, you just open this valve right here. I'm trying to do this one-handed, and as you can see, it opens a little hole down there, and it'll drain out the contents of your catch can. That way it makes it a lot easier. Comes with the 2 hoses and then the nickel hose fittings. So yeah, when installing this product, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this right here out of that hole, and this is where your catch can is going to mount. All right, so when doing this, it's fairly simple. You just gotta be very careful when taking off these lines here. Let me try to position this camera. All right, there we go. You guys a nice little view there. All right, so we're gonna start by taking off the line right here. All right. So now what you want to do is you actually want to twist your little fitting here. All right, go ahead and give it a good little angle, just like that. You want to take your nickel fittings, go ahead and just insert them, nice and easy. Same with the second one. Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working the lines in. Just remember to, when you're using the hose, there's a little flare in there that'll hold this in place. Just like that. It just goes straight on. And from here, you just hold it down. Twist it on there. There you go. You can actually cut it if it's too long. I'm actually going to cut mine. Just showing you guys real quick. Right. Same thing, take the hose, put on the nickel fitting if you have them, which they come with the kit, and you just, same thing, twist it on there, make sure it's secure. There you go, your lines are pretty much installed. And from here, like me, I'm just going to put them on and then I'll cut them after I put on the catch can here. I'm gonna do that now. All right, so mounting your catch can, you're gonna have the bolt with the spacer. You're gonna go ahead and put it right through that hole. And you're gonna take your second spacer and put it right on that bolt. Now from here, just maneuvering it off up in there. And we're just gonna go ahead and do a little hand tighten. And the finger tighten. We're gonna go ahead and take a 12mm socket along with a ratchet and go ahead and tighten it on in. Guys, so it's completely up to you if you want to trim your hoses or not. I went ahead and trimmed this one just a little bit. I felt like it was just a little bit too long. So same thing, you know, just put your fitting back on. Make sure it's tight. And that, to me, looks a lot cleaner than having a big bunch of slack right here. All right, on to the next one. There we go. Catch can installed. Looking good. Go ahead and point out, you want to always, you know, check your oil catch can contents, you know, every time you do an oil change. Or if it's, you know, a brand new engine, you go ahead and check it every 500 miles to go ahead and, you know, measure your oil consumption. This concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
I gotta find a way, yeah. I ain't got no time to stress no more. I gotta find a way.